Well, welcome along everyone. Another episode, another day, and the end of 2015. Here we are at the bank in probably what is my favourite fishing spot ever. This is the place I first came fishing when I was a wee lad, probably in this exact swim actually, and first ever fishing trip. I think everyone remembers their first fishing trip. It's a shame we haven't got any footage of it. It was some time ago. But we're back today. Like I say, it's the end of the year. It's actually New Year's Eve, so Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Phil.
Yeah.
Happy New Year. And we're going to see what we can catch before the year is out. The river's got a bit of colour to it at the moment. You can see it's a bit brown, a bit murky, which is a complete contrast to the last time I fished here. It looked like tap water last time I was here. But I had a good session actually. I had quite a few perch, decent sized perch as well. We're going to see what we're going to go for today. We've got a lot of we're kind of set up for bream really. Bream, and if there's any chub that come along, happy days. Let's see how we get on. It's coming up to 11. We're set up. We're going to try the far bank where the river kind of slows down a bit. See how we go. Set up now, and we've been fishing a good 20 minutes or so on one dace and one roach to the good, which is lovely. Quite a nice roach, the last one. The old maggot feeder seems to be doing the job. Just a single red maggot on a size 16 hook to nylon. The only thing I'm missing now is my sunglasses. Yeah, this is not bad so far. At least I know I'm not going to blank. Bream would be nice, chub would be better, a roach and a dace will do. Okay, we've been fishing a while now. It's all gone a bit quiet, so we have time to talk through today's baits. This is the bait station as we've named it. We've got your ground bait mix here. This is Phil's concoction. What's in the ground bait?
Yeah, got a bit of this Gold Pro Green ground bait. Never used it before, but thought I'll give it a go. For a little added attraction, some of this stuff. What's it smell like?
Smells very fishy.
Yeah, so it's quite a sweet mixture there. So hopefully bream will come into it. Not so far, no.
No, not so far. If I was a bream though, I'd be all over that. We got the trusty sweet corn. Is it Green Giant?
It's Sainsbury's finest.
Sainsbury's finest. Value. We like that. We've got a handful of pellets here.
Yeah, just some wetted up 6mm pellets.
Lovely. 6mm pellets going in. This is pretty magic stuff. Paste.
Bit of Special G paste. Thought I'd just give it a go. Just getting on that sort of paste scene a little bit lately.
Good stuff, good stuff. We've got a tub of worms. Always a sucker for a worm. A bit of chili hemp seed, which is unopened at the moment, but I'm thinking I'm going to chuck some of that out in a bit. And the old trusty, especially in the winter time, the maggots. That's what I've had the most luck on today. In fact, that's what I've had 100% of the luck on today. All on maggies. So we're going to keep cracking on. Still on the maggots now. Hopefully we'll get that elusive bream or a chub. Chub would be fantastic. Let's carry on fishing.
was after. But yeah,
Good work. Roach, Rudd.
that is the roach.
Lovely.
Oh,
Oh, it was a roach.
oh.
Good work.
Yeah,
Saved a blank.
yeah, not blanks, it's a miracle.
Mid-afternoon or late afternoon update really. It's just gone 3 o'clock. We've been fishing all day, still not much to report. Phil got off the mark with the roach you saw earlier. That's been the only one for you, hasn't it?
Yep.
Yep. I've still only had the 2, the roach in the day, early on. Other than that, it's been pretty chilly, pretty windy.
It's definitely dropping now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's definitely shifted a few degrees south. I reckon we've got probably an hour and a half of good light left. We'll probably fish it till the end. No bream, no chub.
Just roach.
Just roach.
Have a days.
Have a day. Yeah.
Sums up our day, really, isn't it?
Well everyone, the light's fading pretty quickly now. We've come to the end of our
Dreadful session.
dreadful session. It's not been too, we haven't blanked, that's the main thing. But the main reason we really came out today, it's only been a short episode. We just wanted to say thumbs up to everyone. It's the end of 2015. Thanks to everyone that's liked the Facebook page, anyone that's subscribed on YouTube. It means a lot. It means we're actually, not doing this for nothing. So thanks to anyone that has. And just want to wish you all a happy new year, really. Wet nets, tight lines, and all that. And all the best for 2016. Carry on fishing, guys. Nearly. Oh, we nearly ended with a bang there. I've had a few.
What, roach?
Yeah.
Where the canoe club is.
I know where you mean.
Yeah. If you go past the bushes there, past the hotel, there's about 4 or 5 pegs scattered out, and it's a lot deeper up there. That's where you get the bream this time of year. They were catching them there day before yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Up to 6 pound.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They're good
wow.
fish. Yeah.
Wow, I'll have to give it a go.
A little bit of knowledge. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can catch them on the maggot and the worm.
Yeah.
Yeah. The ground bait feeder. Yeah.
So you didn't come by about 11 this morning.
Yeah.